Hi, so today we're going to do something that we don't usually do. This you see here is the base Skoda Slavia variant. Now we usually drive the top end variants of each car. So today we thought we'll bring you this base variant to show what exactly changes from as you go through the price bracket of a car. As you can see, there are some noticeable differences, which is this halogen headlamp cluster, and you can see there are LED DRLs, but they're in this sort of more basic fashion over here below the car. Now moving around below, you see that there are no fog lamps. It's just a blank covering, but it's done pretty well. Of course, you still get the chrome highlighting around the grille. Now as we come to the side, you notice this some quite basic steel rims with these covers and 195 by 65 R15 tires, which are down from the 16 inches that you otherwise get. You still get the Skoda branding on the side. Now we'll move to this back, and here you see that the tail lamp cluster, when it's off, doesn't look all that different, but of course, and it's still LED from what I gather. Now this is what the inside looks like, and you can see that the leatherette of the top end cars is replaced by this quite nice fabric cushioning. The middle sort of armrest isn't there. There's still a nice dual tone look to it. There are no rear vents or charging ports, but you still do get 4 speakers and power windows, and this sort of black trim for the door handles. Of course, there's no sunroof either. Now we'll go to the front. Now the front is quite respectable for what is essentially the most inexpensive Slavia you can buy. There's of course little to no chrome here, but we like this sort of dark gloss black finish. You get a small 7-inch touchscreen. These sort of manual AC controls still feel quite nice to use, we must say, and with these buttons. Simple manual. This is a 1 liter MT, so which is the only engine option you get with this. And you have like this simple arrangement for the center console. The steering wheel still gets buttons on it, which is a nice touch. And we'll go about the other side just now to show you what the instrument cluster looks like. So here you still get the simple, there's no fog lamps, you don't get that. A keyhole, there's no keyless entry or start. No power folding mirrors, it's just powered for adjustment. And here like basic sort of instrument cluster, which still gets the typical, the Skoda legible dials. I mean, I'll try to get it a bit closer to show you. Here, a basic instrument cluster, which still looks quite tasteful in our books. So what do you think about the Slavia? It costs from 10.8 lakhs in Mumbai. Do you think you'd pick this if a nice spacious sedan was something you were looking for and at an affordable price? Let us know in the comments.